Hey everyone, Tony here. Hope you're doing well. It is Monday, April 9th. As you guys know, I've been sick. I had the cold, the flu, so I've been trying to recover over the past few days. That's why I haven't been posting videos. So it's good to be back, and we got a lot to discuss. So as you guys know, we are in a market slump right now, guys. We're in a bear market. Bitcoin tries to go over 7,000, then it keeps pulling back. That's happened multiple times. And I absolutely feel there's some manipulation going on for sure. But let's talk a bit about when can we expect a full recovery or start seeing things heading in the positive and the right direction. So the first, I wanted to share Coinbase's president and COO, Asiff Hirji, his thoughts on what's going on with the markets. Because keep in mind, they are an exchange, so they're here to make money, right? They want people to invest. So they're studying, they're looking at the markets. And one of the factors that he mentions is that people were very bearish at the beginning of the year through now because of tax season, right? They have to do their taxes. They want to see what's going to be the hit, right, before they start dumping money into the crypto market. He also talks a bit about there's been a bit of a sell-off. So my takeaway is that, once tax season is wrapped up in the U.S. By April 14th, and other places around the world as well, we'll start seeing some strong recovery. I'm not going to say a bull run. I would say some strong recovery, meaning that we're not stuck in this bearish trend. But let me play this for you guys so you can listen to the exact words here.
Asiff, it has been a pretty tough one. So we just had this report about taxes and how there could be some selling because of that. Is that what you're getting from your clients?
I've certainly had some clients for sure who've contacted us to do large selling because of tax. That's absolutely going on. Is it the main cause of what's happening? I'm not sure. I think there are potentially other causes too. I personally get comfort in the fact that this correction has happened 4 times in the past, right? So if you look back at history of say Bitcoin, which is the longest running asset.
So I don't want to get too much into this, but notice he said they had clients, Coinbase's clients, call them, a lot of, I guess they're institutional clients, and trying to do a large sell-off because of taxes. So I think that is certainly a contributing factor to the bear market. As he alluded to, there's other reasons as well. I think there's just a correction happening. I think a healthy correction. It's a longer bear market than we like, but it really, as long as Bitcoin's not going down to $1 and the market's not being wiped out, you don't have to worry, guys. And I know it's annoying, and I know you're looking at your portfolio go down a bit in value, but don't worry. As we've been talking about nonstop, guys, these cycles are normal and healthy for the market. These things happen in the stock market, and you can't have a continual bull run. That is not sustainable. That will be the definition of a bubble, so to speak. Now, what have I been telling you guys over and over? Watch what the big money is doing, right? Regardless of what's happening in this market, guys, what are the exchanges doing? What are businesses doing? What are investment firms doing? What are these Wall Street guys doing? Well, just today, guys, Mike Novogratz, I've reported on him a few times, guys, because he left Wall Street to start Galaxy Digital, which is a crypto investment fund. So Wall Street guy, he's a billionaire. Another Goldman Sachs employee, one of the execs, an executive, has left Wall Street for the crypto world, and he is joining up with Mike Novogratz. So it says here, early cryptocurrency investor Mike Novogratz hired Richard Kim from Goldman Sachs as the new COO, Chief Operating Officer, of his crypto merchant bank Galaxy Digital, says a person familiar with the matter. Kim is the latest of a handful of Goldman Sachs executives to leave Wall Street for crypto startups. Bitcoin's, well, I'm not going to read the rest, but do you see what's happening here, guys? The market is, it's in a bad slump, right? But the moves are taking place behind the scenes, right? This one's making some noise because the headlines, I should say, because Mike Novogratz is well known within the Wall Street circles. So this should give you confidence. As I always tell you guys, watch what the big money are doing. You got a Wall Street, Goldman Sachs executive, guys. These guys are making money hand over fist, right? And they're going into crypto because They know the potential. They're not looking at right now. They don't have weak hands. They're looking ahead because cryptocurrency is here to stay. And there is some manipulation going on, and obviously, governments are getting on board. So when I see that happening, guys, that gives me confidence. It doesn't matter what the price of Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum is right now, because when I see moves like this, I know it's going to go back up. And I know these guys are looking to make money. Some other big news, guys, and this, more Wall Street, guys, more Wall Street here. So the head of the Intercontinental Exchange, which owns the New York Stock Exchange, says crypto trading is a trend we can't ignore. This was reported today by Bloomberg. So let me play it here for you guys.
Futures contract on one of your exchanges. When will we see it?
I don't know. I think there is a trend here that we can't ignore, in my mind. So I don't discount it. It's early days. There is something about technology today that many people are more comfortable with it than they are with the institutions of government and society that I grew up with. People put more faith in a guy named Satoshi Nakamoto that no one has ever met than they do in the U.S. Fed. That's an interesting trend that I don't think you can ignore. People in your city.
See this, guys? You got the head of this Intercontinental Exchange saying crypto can't be ignored. This is a trend, and that's where the people are focused on. This is where the big money's going now. So hold on to your crypto. I hope you guys didn't sell and fear, panic, and all of that. I hope you're holding on because we're going to make some money. But you got to be patient, guys. Another big news, guys, and you guys may have probably seen this. So do you know who the Rockefellers are? That name? There's a lot of money behind that name historically, guys, and still to this day. So it says here, Rockefellers VC arm, venture capital arm, Venrock partners with Coin Fund exec highlights focus on long term. So big money is getting into crypto investing. I'm talking about, just research the Rockefellers. You'll know who that is. This was reported by Bitcoin.com as well. So let me give you guys some detail. I think Bitcoin.com highlights it a bit better. First, if reports are to be believed, legendary investor George Soros has found to be investing in cryptocurrency. Now, Venrock, a $3 million USD venture capital firm owned by the storied American family, the Rockefellers, have taken to crypto. This is big, guys. If this, the details here. So David Pacman, a Venrock, explained, there are a lot of crypto traders in the market. There are a lot of cryptocurrency hedge funds. This is different. In fact, to us, it looks a little bit more like a venture capital, he told Fortune. Mr. Pacman is speaking of Venrock's announced partnership with Coin Fund, an investor group exclusively geared towards cryptocurrency startups. We wanted to partner with this team that has been making investments. So look at this, guys. In traditional institutional money moving to crypto, even though the market is crap right now, because we are gearing up for another massive bull run. We got to be patient. These people see the value. They know they can make money here. So if you're holding crypto right now, you're ahead of the curve because, as far as the masses, they haven't hit the market yet. Sure, there was the hype in December, but more is to come, guys. Once we get in that next bull run and people start making money, there's a lot more to be done here, right? We're not even, once again, I've stated many times, we're in the infancy stages. So to recap, guys, I think post-tax season, we're going to see some improvements for sure. I think some solid growth. I'm not going to say bull run because I think there needs to be some momentum here. We've been in a slump for a very long time, but I think once tax season is over, a lot more people are going to start putting money. Wall Street is gearing up, guys. I've been saying it over and over, man. These funds are coming along. These guys are going to dump money into it. The stock exchange guys are recognizing it. You got traditional Rockefeller and George Soros, all these guys, big money, institutional money coming into the market, guys. So get ready. I think by May, just my prediction, we'll start seeing some improvements for sure. And could it lead to the next big bull run? Sure. I think we'll probably need to build some momentum over maybe 3 months or so. So maybe by, summertime, guys, it's going to be pretty crazy. But that's just my thoughts. Like I always tell you guys, watch what the big money are doing, watch what the whales are doing, read between the lines, right? Don't just look at the numbers here on here. This is just a cycle. This is the normal peaks and valleys of the crypto market. So keep holding on to your crypto. Don't dump anything, guys. Don't panic sell, all right? So I would love to hear what you guys think. This is all great news, in my opinion. So I would love to hear what you guys think. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe for more videos on cryptocurrencies. I will talk to you guys later.